Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens. The sun is shining, breeze is blowing, the birds are chirping, and everything is in bloom right now. Must be April at the store. We have so many incredible things to show you this week, so let's jump right in. Starting off in our annual section, now is the perfect time to start transitioning from early spring annuals like Pansies and Ranunculus into early summer annuals like Lobelia, African daisies, and these beautiful wallflowers. There's nothing standoffish about these. It would be a real perk to add them to your planters. Moving right along, we've got our first batch of sweet, fragrant Nemesia in. These colorful blooms are packed with a fragrant punch. This is also the time of year where we can finally say hello to marigolds, dahlias, lantana, verbena, coleus, calibrachoa, bacopa, begonias, salvia, sweet alyssum, and so many more flowers. And of course, our first wave of petunias, like my absolute favorite, the Cascadias Purple Ice. And if you know Bountiful, you know we're known for our perennial selection too. And now's the time of year that these are bursting with blooms as well, like deer-resistant Dianthus, clouds of phlox, both creeping and woodland, salvia, ice plant, and so many more. Let's actually go back to the phlox for a second, because look at how stunning this is. If you want a perennial ground cover that is just going to carpet your bed in flowers, phlox is the way to go. It's deer-resistant, drought-tolerant, and a great way to add a carpet of color to any of your flower beds. And it's so fluffy you almost want to take a nap on it. But there's no time for naps now because I have so many more perennials to cover, like these gorgeous sea pinks with their pom-pom shaped flowers that are ready to dazzle you into the early summer. Or the Sweet Woodruff with its attractive star-shaped foliage and cottony clouds of white flowers. Or Leopards Bane with its summery yellow hues, sure to get you in the mood for warmer weather. And before we move along, let's stop and smell the Rock Cress, which is mildly fragrant and drought-tolerant once established. It's also finally time to celebrate blooms from things like Sandwort, Speedwell, Lady's Mantle, Perennial Verbena. Gosh, I hope I'm not forgetting any. And if you're looking for a natural alternative to mulching, we've got you covered with things like Scotch moss, Irish moss, sedum, and of course, creeping thyme, which is naturally fragrant and smells so good. Let's slow down for a second and admire this spurge just dancing in the breeze here. We've got the Ascot Rainbow, which became a customer favorite last year, and the Euphorbia polychrome, which holds a secret. In autumn, this golden and green turns a brilliant red that's perfect for a transitioning landscape. I'd also be remiss if I didn't address this dazzling cornflower. This Amethyst Dream blooms continuously through early summer, making it a fantastic addition to your sun garden. And if you've got more shade than sun and are looking for hues of blue, look no further than this Jacob's Ladder, like the Heaven Scent, which, like the name suggests, is lightly fragrant. Or my personal favorite, a Juga or bugleweed, a hardy ground cover that pollinators can't get enough of. And if you want a bloom to reach up out of the shadows, look no further than Columbine with its hypnotic star-shaped blooms. We've covered so many blooms, I feel dizzy, and it's only the beginning of April. As the days go on, we're going to have so many more annuals, perennials, flowering shrubs, evergreens, herbs, fruits, vegetables, pottery, and so much more to help you get planting this season. So if you want to be the first to know what's coming up, be sure to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to share in the bounty this year. Thanks, and happy planting.